Hey, what's up, Honey Crunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to Honey Crunch 321. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Christmas gift sent to me by New Summit Color Distribution. In case you didn't know, New Summit Colors Distribution is the distributor of Cynos Inside Hair Care, Organique Professional, Revlon Professional, CND Nail Care, American Crew, and Argelia Amazonia. I hope I pronounced all of this correctly. And I received products by CND, Cynos Inside Hair Care, and Organique Professional. And let's check them out. First, we have is Instant Hair Sanitizer plus Moisturizer with Tea Tree Oil by Organique Professional. This product will be very useful due to the pandemic. Then we have Morocco Argan Oil Therapy by Cynos. By the way, you can also use this not only on your hair, but you can also use it to your skin. I tried this on my hands and it's not sticky or too oily unlike other oils or lotions. Plus, this can also make your nails stronger and I'm loving the scent of it. Right now, I'm using it before I go to bed. Then we have Awfully Fast and Scrub Fresh by CND. And we have a cutie bottle of CND Solar Oil. I have a bigger version of this which was sent to me by CND too, and I also use this. And now that I have a mini bottle, I can bring it with me wherever I go. Just gonna put this inside my bag or a pouch. Now let's move on to the Vinylux shades by CND. They sent me their Yes I Do collection. And the shades are White Wedding and Forever Yours, then we have Veiled and Bouquet. Now let's move on to the other shades. We have Palm Deco and Decadence, Kiss of Fire and Satin Pajamas. And CND also sent another bottle of their long wear top coat. By the way, this has been my favorite ever since I tried it. It's really long wearing and it doesn't shrink your nail art even if it's fast drying. Plus, the brush is just so perfect. I highly recommend this top coat. And these are all of the products from New Summit Colors Distribution's Christmas package. I want to thank New Summit Color Distribution, CND Philippines, Organique Professional, and Cynos Inside Hair Professional for sending this Christmas package. Thank you so much! But before this video ends, let me share with you guys some of the swatches. I won't be including the swatches for the Yes I Do collection because I'll be doing a separate video for that. So now let's start with Satin Pajamas. Now for the second coat. Satin Pajamas has a super elegant neutral shade with a shimmer finish. Next we have is Decadence. Now for the second coat. Decadence has a super smooth silky pinkish red shade, and it builds up to a classic red shade when you add more coats of it. Next is Palm Deco. Now for the second coat. Palm Deco has a forest moss green-like shade. And lastly, we have its Kiss of Fire. Now for the second coat. Kiss of Fire is a vibrant red shade with super pretty pinkish red iridescent shimmer. I'm really loving the formula of CND polishes. They're super easy to use and it doesn't have a patchy first coat. Plus, I find their brush so perfect. Its rounded edge and the brush's thickness is just right. It's not too thick or not too thin. And that's it for today. I want to thank New Summit Color Distribution, CND Philippines, Organique Professional, and Cynos Inside Hair Professional for sending this Christmas package. By the way, don't forget to follow them on Instagram. I'll be leaving their official links on the description box below together with their online shops. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, happy holidays, bye!